What a show we have for you tonight. The Hemphills, Don Gibson and the Jordanaires, and the big red curtains going up right now for your host, a member of the Country Music Hall of Fame from Bolt, West Virginia. It's little Jimmy Dickens.
One fine day as I was walking down the street, spied the beggar man, the rags upon his feet. Took a penny from my pocket, in his tin cup I did drop it, and I heard him say as I made my retreat, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant caress you with his toes, may your wife be black with the runners in her hose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. Here we go. My laundry man is really on his toes. Found $100 bill among my clothes. When he called me, I came a-running, gave him back his dime for phoning, and I heard him saying as I turned to go, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant caress you with his toes, may your wife be black with the runners in her hose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. One more time. I was away behind one day to catch a train. The taxi driver said we'll make it just the same. A speed cop made it with us, and as he wrote out the ticket, I stood by politely waiting for my change.